Unmanned aerial vehicles or drones play a crucial role in armed conflicts worldwide. They enable real-time monitoring of the operational environment without endangering the lives of pilots. Drones can be used for reconnaissance or attack missions, and they have different ranges and operational times. It's no secret that American technology leads among global manufacturers. Today, we have a list of the top 10 drones from America for you. Let's begin. Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss other interesting information. 1. Boeing BAT. The BAT drone was developed by the American company, Northrop Grumman, for the U.S. Air Force, the U.S. Marine Corps, the U.S. Navy, and the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. This drone is perfect for real-time reconnaissance in local wars and is fully autonomous, requiring no airstrip. BAT has a flight time of up to 25 hours. 2. AeroVironment RQ-20 Puma. The RQ-20 Puma is a lightweight drone that can be hand-launched. The drone can be operated manually or follow flight paths through GPS navigation. RQ-20 Puma can fly for over 9 hours and is equipped with 4 surveillance cameras, including 2 optical and 2 infrared cameras. 3. RQ-21 Blackjack. The RQ-21 Blackjack is a small tactical drone system developed by Institute to meet the needs of the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps. The Blackjack can be used for reconnaissance, surveillance, and data collection on land and at sea. This drone has a flight time of up to 16 hours and can carry various sensors and weaponry. 4. MQ-1 Predator. The MQ-1 Predator is a proven drone on the battlefield. With speeds up to 135 miles per hour and a flight time of up to 40 hours, the MQ-1 Predator has become a staple of the U.S. Air Force for bombing missions, aerial photography, and reconnaissance in various conflicts. 5. MQ-1C Gray Eagle. The MQ-1C Gray Eagle is a development of the MQ-1 Predator with extended range and operational capabilities at higher altitudes. This drone can fly for 36 hours and carries various armaments, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. 6. MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper is a modular drone for reconnaissance and attacks developed by General Atomics. This drone can fly at speeds of over 230 miles per hour and stay in the air for 27 hours. The MQ-9 Reaper can carry various armaments to support military operations. 7. RQ-4 Global Hawk. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is the largest surveillance drone in the world. With an operational range of approximately 14,105 miles, this drone can fly at altitudes above 9 miles. Global Hawk is equipped with sophisticated surveillance systems to monitor enemy activities from safe altitudes. 8. MQ-4C Triton. The MQ-4C Triton is a U.S. Navy drone designed for long-range and high-altitude reconnaissance missions. This drone can fly up to 13 miles and stay in the air for about 30 hours. The MQ-4C is designed to provide real-time information about maritime and coastal areas. (9) RQ-180. The RQ-180 is a secret drone developed by Northrop Grumman for aerial reconnaissance purposes. This drone has a flight time of 24 hours and can perform reconnaissance based on radar and other sensors. (10) MQ-25 Stingray. The MQ-25 Stingray is a military drone developed by Boeing for in-air refueling tasks of military aircraft. This drone is designed to support air operations above aircraft carriers, extending the range of combat aircraft through in-flight refueling. That concludes the list of the top 10 drones from America that provide significant contributions to modern military operations. Drones are becoming increasingly important assets in global defense and security. With technology and innovation continuing to evolve, drones will continue to play a vital role in military and civilian life in the future. Let's continue to support the development of drone technology and appreciate their contributions in maintaining peace and security in the world. I hope this information was useful and added to our understanding of the amazing advancements of drones. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss other interesting military and technological development information.